I also got to get it to kind of... Okay, good morning. I'm getting ready for the day. I'm in a robe because it is literally freezing. It's actually starting to warm up in LA, but our house is just really cold. I'm thinking today I'm gonna do a little spring reset because the house kind of needs a little bit of a reset, and then I also definitely need a reset. I was sick almost like all of last week, and then this week has just kind of been go, go, go. It's been a lot of ups and downs emotionally, so I think I just need to reset as well. But I placed a little grocery pickup order. I'm probably gonna pick that up today and clean out my shelf in the fridge. I also need to just kind of deep clean the apartment and my room specifically because I have not really dusted or like mopped in here in an embarrassingly long amount of time. So I think that's my plan today. I really just need to take it easy. It is a Saturday, so I would kind of like to sit outside, and like it's such nice weather today. I might go for a walk. I just need to like do a little reset for spring and the new season just in general, and also for my mental health, which I feel like has definitely taken a little bit of a hit this month and last month. Honestly, it's been a rough 2 months. I don't know what is going on. Actually, I do know. Apparently Mercury is in retrograde, which I know people like roll their eyes at when they hear that, but it's true, and I'm really feeling it this week. So I'm just gonna get ready real quick and then get the day going. Okay, so I just did my order pickup and I'm really hungry, so I think I'm gonna go inside and eat some lunch real quick. I also need to get gas at some point. I just realized when I hopped in my car that I'm basically on empty. So I just got back from the grocery, but first I wanted to talk about my earrings and my jewelry. So I'm gonna go in my room where the lighting is a little bit better. I wanted to thank Ana Luisa for working with me on this video. I'm so excited for this because I've been a fan of their jewelry for over 5 years now. I think I got my first piece from them with my own money in 2020 or 2021. But if you don't know, Ana Luisa is a New York based jewelry brand, and they were kind enough to send me 2 pieces to show you all, and then I have a link you can click on below. I'll also put it on the screen so you can shop Ana Luisa as well. They're hypoallergenic, water resistant, and sustainable, which is really important. They also offer really fast and free shipping within the United States, and if you're located anywhere else, they have pretty affordable and quick shipping as well. One thing I also really like about them is that they are very affordable. They obviously have some higher end quality and prices, but if you're looking for some jewelry that won't tarnish for at least a good couple years, then they have some really great options that will last you a really long time. So I'll go ahead and show you. These earrings are my new favorite thing. I've been going on some dates recently, and I think these are just like the perfect first date earrings. They're not too big, but they're also not too little. Like, you can still see them when I'm standing like this far away. So I think they're perfect for like a first date where you don't want to be like too out there, or even for like job interviews and things like that. I think that these are like the perfect little piece to elevate your style. I have my doubles pierced, but I don't think you really even need that with these. I think these are perfect kind of on their own. And then I also picked out this ring. I love that it is a statement, but it's not too big of a statement. I like to make a little bit of a statement with my jewelry, but I also like to keep things pretty simple and minimalistic. So the way I've styled this ring, honestly, right now is I just have it on one finger, my middle finger on my right hand, and then on my left hand I have this ring that I've had from Ana Luisa for probably around 5 or so years now, and this is held up really nicely. I think it's also very dainty and it pairs really well with this other ring. So again, I will leave a link down below where you can shop all the Ana Luisa pieces and these pieces that I have right now. I'm seriously like so excited to be working with them. I can't even believe that they actually like reached out to me and like knew who I was. So it's definitely worth checking out if you want to find some pieces that are affordable but also look really classy. So I just did a giant grocery haul. I haven't been grocery shopping in a good like 2 or 3 weeks, so I restocked on like literally everything I needed. So I got some meatballs, some turkey and cheese, literally nothing exciting. I just like to do this for my lunches most days. Then I got some eggs, some bread, some organic bell peppers and spinach, some chips because I just ran out of my pretzels that I usually like to eat with like sandwiches and stuff. And then I got some yogurt, some frozen broccoli. These are my favorite veggie burgers to have for either like a lunch or dinner if I don't have time to make something. They are vegan. I'm not vegan, I'm not vegetarian. I was vegetarian for almost a year, but it just wasn't healthy for me, so I stopped. But that's something that I did really enjoy when I was vegetarian. And then moving on, I just got 2 tomato soups. I usually like to have that with my like grilled cheese during the day if I have time to make lunch. And then a green juice. I just like to have this around. And then I got Cutwaters because they were $9.99. So they were on sale at Vons. So I just picked up some of those. Then these are my favorite snacks. I don't love the white cheddar cheese ones, but they were out of the other ones that I usually buy. These are also, again, really nice in a pinch. They just have like cheese and nuts and stuff in them, and it's a good like source of protein. Then I got some rice. I need to stop buying the like instant in a cup rice because I know there's probably a ton of microplastics in them. But again, we're going for quick and easy meals. So these are really easy in a pinch to just like to throw some shrimp on a pan and then just like saute them and then throw them into some rice. I also got some spices. I needed some lemon pepper and then some paprika. So I just restocked on those. The Propel, I always have 1 Propel a day. It really helps with my pots. So this is just like an essential for me. I usually like to stock up on them, but they're getting kind of expensive, so I only got 1. If anyone knows any other like electrolyte brands that are nice with pots, let me know because I'm definitely on the lookout for those. And then last but not least, this is my little treat for myself. I love the poppy ginger lime ones, and then also the cherry limeade is really good. So that's my grocery haul. Nothing exciting really, just the basics that I needed to stock up on. Oh, I think I also forgot to mention I got some coffee creamer. I really like the Trader Joe's vanilla one, but the Trader Joe's is a little bit farther away from us, so this was just easier to pick this up. So that's it for my grocery haul. I'm just gonna put these away really quickly and then probably make some lunch. I'm still feeling kind of sick. I don't know if you can like tell in my voice, but I just feel like I still have a little bit of a leftover cold going on. So I'm probably gonna make some tea and eat some lunch, and then I'll get to cleaning. I'm about to like sit down and eat lunch. I'm watching the Ellen Pompeo episode of Call Her Daddy. But first, I'm gonna open this Poppy. I'm gonna drink my Poppy and eat lunch, and then I'm gonna check it in a little bit. So I do feel like it kind of smells in here, so I think I'm gonna put an essential oil in this diffuser. It's actually an air purifier that I got during the fires in LA. It also has an essential oil little part that I can put in there to get it to kind of smell a little bit fresher in here. I got this essential oil off of Amazon. It just smells like oranges, and I think it's really nice and springy. We like to keep our diffuser behind this plant so we can hide it a little bit. Okay, so now that it smells a little bit better in here, I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the trash and just do some chores around the house that need to get done. And then I'm gonna do a little bit more of a deep clean after I go in and do the trash and the dishwasher. Okay, this is so gross, but I think I need to clean out one of my trash cans. So I'm gonna let that soak in the kitchen for a little bit. And then I'm also gonna try and tackle the dishes, which have definitely been piling up. I think I'm gonna end the video off here. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to today, so I might do a part 2 of a spring cleaning video where I clean out my closet and like really go full deep clean mode. So I'm getting kind of sleepy, but I'm in my new favorite pajamas. I'll link them down below. I might go ahead and make a tea too because I'm still kind of feeling not very good. Also, be sure to check out Ana Luisa. I will leave the link on the screen again here, and then it'll be in the description box below. So if you're interested in shopping anything from there, be sure to use that link. And be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss when part 2 of this video goes up. And I think that that is everything. So I'm just gonna keep editing on my computer the rest of the night.